Doctor Who is such an iconic brand and it's celebrating its 60th year this year. So we wanted to work with a number of partners to build and elevate the excitement around the brand at this time, and that's why we're working with Back Market.
So the Art of Regeneration is a sculpture comprised of discarded bits of tech, so smartphones, iPads, laptops.
What a beautiful representation of the two doctors handing the baton over to each other in such an amazing location.
So Doctor Who and Back Market have several shared values, and ultimately regeneration is very important to both of our narratives, with the Doctors regenerating and the Back Market regenerate old into new tech. The BBC specials are obviously running at the moment. Ncuti is becoming the new Doctor on Saturday, and then his first special is on Christmas Day, so it feels like a very relevant time for both Back Market to share our message and Doctor Who to do the same. So once we've finished with the installation over this weekend, the sculpture is going to live at the television studio's headquarters, where it's going to stay up until they decide they want to discard it, and then it'll be broken down and recycled.